ma'am.
Okay, let's start. Write down. Uh, Urban agricultural land is capital asset. Urban agricultural land is capital asset, and it is it is held for it is held for more than 3 years. That is 36 months. It is held for more than 36 months. Therefore, it is long-term capital gain. Therefore, it is long-term capital gain. Sorry, therefore it is long-term capital asset. Sorry, therefore it is long-term capital asset. Note number 2, the year of acquisition is considered, the CII of year of acquisition, the CII of year of acquisition is taken as 100, is taken as 100, that is of year of 2001, that is of year of 2001, because the property is purchased before 2001 year. Because the property is purchased before 2001 year. Okay, now next question. Look at the next question. On November 2nd, 2016, Manoj sells gold for 5,02,000. Cost of acquisition on March 10, 1994 was 1,04,000. Expenses on purchase and transfer are 1,100 and 2,000 respectively. Find out the amount of capital gain. Now see, Manoj sells the property for 5,02,000. So this is my full value of consideration. Now tell me, this was purchased on 1994. See, 10th March 1994. And it is sold on 2nd November 2016. Is it for long term or short term?
Long term.
Yes. And
Long term.
expenses on purchase. Expenses on purchase means has to be included in cost of acquisition. Always remember, whenever you incur any expenses while purchasing, on purchasing, there it has to be included in the cost of acquisition. It is nothing different in as from the cost of acquisition. It has to be included in that only. Okay, and expenses on transfer are also given in this question, so less
Yes,
expenses
ma'am.
on transfer is given. Okay, write down. Start with the solution. Name of SSC Mr. Manoj. आप ये details बाद में लिख देंगे. Will you be leaving lines? Can you leave the lines and write it later on?
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ,
Yes, ma'am.
आप बाकी सारे म्यूट कर दीजिए. रेहान बेटा म्यूट कर दो. रेहान, चलो ये आप डिटेल्स बाद में लिख देना. नेम ऑफ एसएससी, लीगल स्टेटस, प्रीवियस, ये बाद में लिख दीजिएगा. लिखो, कंप्यूटेशन ऑफ इनकम फ्रॉम कैपिटल गेन. कंप्यूटेशन ऑफ इनकम फ्रॉम कैपिटल गेन. 3 columns again, particulars inner and outer column. Now write down full value of consideration. For how much the gold is sold for? The gold is sold for how much?
Ma'am, 5,02,000.
2,000 rupees. Very good. 5 lakhs 2,000, outer column. Come to the next line. Write down less cost of transfer, or you can write transfer expenses, or you can write expenses on transfer. It is one and the same thing. Write down less transfer expenses. How much is it? See, expenses on purchase and transfer are 1,100 and 2,000 respectively. So what is the expense of transfer?
2,000.
Very
Ma'am,
good.
2,000.
Write down in the inner column. Don't follow this way. Okay. Write down in the inner column. Write down less expenses on transfer, inner column 2000. Inner column 2000. Next, less indexed cost of acquisition. Indexed cost of acquisition. Now see how much the property was purchased for. Property आपने कितने में खरीदी थी? 1 lakh. Come on, tell me. 1 lakh 4,000.
Ma'am, 1,04,000.
Yes, 1 lakh 4,000 के लिए खरीदी थी, लेकिन but you incurred a few more expenses on purchasing. While you were purchasing the property, you incurred the expenses. When did you purchase the property? In the year 1994. At that time, when you were purchasing the property, you incurred a few more expenses, and that is 1,100. So 1,100 has to be included in the cost of acquisition. So what is my cost of acquisition? 1,04,000. What are the expenses on purchase? 1,100. So both has to be added. Write down in the bracket less indexed cost of acquisition, and in the bracket write down 1,04,000 plus 1,100. 1,04,000 plus 1,100. Okay, so both has to be taken now, but you have to apply the formula. What was the formula? Write down. Write down cost of acquisition into, write down cost of acquisition multiplied by CII of year of acquisition, sorry, CII of year of transfer, CII of year of transfer divided by CII of year of acquisition. CII of year of acquisition. Now tell me, what is cost of acquisition? What is the cost of acquisition?
Ma'am, 1,05,100.
Yes.
5,100.
Very good. 1,05,100. Very good. It has not to be taken just 1,04,000. It is the cost of acquisition. I know you purchased the property for 1,04,000, but you together with that you incurred the cost on purchasing. So that was 1,100. Both has to be added, and then the total cost has to be written. The total cost is 1,05,100 into what is the CII of year of transfer? CII of year of transfer is November 2016 means 16-17. So
Yes,
what
ma'am.
is the CII of year of 16-17?
264, ma'am.
264 divided by the property is purchased before 2001 or after 2001?
Ma'am, before 2001.
If it is purchased before 2001, then CII has to be taken as
100.
100, the base year. 100 is of the base year. Base year is 2001. So tell me, 1,05,100 into 264 divided by 100. So what is the amount in the inner column?
Ma'am, 2,77,464.
Very good. 2,77,464. Very good. 2,77,464. Next. Less indexed cost of improvement. Less indexed cost of improvement. Tell me, is it there? Is
No,
it
ma'am.
there? No. Then nil. In the inner column, nil.
No, ma'am.
No, it is not given. Okay. So tell me the total of all the expenses.
Ma'am, 2,79,464.
Very good. 2,79,464. It will not match with this, huh? Because CII is not matching with ours, no? Therefore, it will not match with this amount. 2,79,464. You put this amount in the bracket in the outer column and deduct it from 5,02,000. Tell me the final.
minus 2,22,000.
माइनस पे आ रहा
नहीं
है,
मैम,
माइनस पे नहीं आएगा। 5,02,000
मैम 2
में
लाख
से आप 2,79,464 माइनस करोगे तो माइनस पे कैसे आएगा?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
बताइए, अभी अमाउंट बताइए मुझे।
मैम 2,22,536 रुपीज।
नहीं, सुनाई नहीं दिया, फिर से बोलेंगे, एक बार फिर से बोलेंगे।
मैम 2,22,536।
ओके, 2,22,536, 2,22,536। अभी आप नोट खुद ही लिख दीजिएगा, ठीक है? क्या लिखवा दूं मैं? लिखो। हमने कॉस्ट ऑफ एक्विजिशन में ये वाले एक्सपेंसेस ऐड किए थे ना। राइट डाउन नोट नंबर 1, सिंस द प्रॉपर्टी इज हेल्ड फॉर मोर देन 3 years, 3 years or 36 months, you can write anything, it's one and the same thing. Since the property is held for more than 36 months, comma, it is long-term capital asset. It is long-term capital asset. It is note number 1. Now note number 2. The CII of year of acquisition is taken as 100 because it is purchased before the year 2001. The CII of year of acquisition is taken as 100 because the property is purchased before the year 2001. Done? This much? इतना हुआ?
Yes, ma'am.
यस
Okay.
मैम।
Write down note number 3. See, we have added expenses on purchase 2,000 rupees. We added it in the cost of acquisition, no? So that has to be written, right? Expenses on purchase are to be added in the cost of acquisition. Expenses on purchase are to be added in the cost of acquisition. Is it clear now?
Yes, ma'am.
यस मैम।
Okay. Wait, let me search. Let us do this question. Mrs. Prerna sells the following assets during the previous year. यहाँ पे 16-17 दिया, आपको एग्जाम में प्रॉपर 19-20 दिया जाएगा, ठीक है? Sale consideration on 14th May 2016. That means Prerna is selling her capital assets, okay, for 16 lakhs rupees on 14th May 2016. Please see, it is 14th May 2016. Okay. Now, these capital assets were acquired in the year 2000-2001. अब प्रॉब्लम नहीं आएगा। आपका CII देखो, आपकी CII की टेबल, the CII is available, no? ठीक है, 2001 and 2 से CII अवेलेबल है। 100 ही लेना है वैसे भी, क्योंकि आपका यहाँ पे वो ही बता रहा है, 2000-2001 बता रहे हैं, ठीक है? चलो देख लेते हैं क्वेश्चन में। Okay. Sale consideration on 14th May 2016 is 16 lakhs. These capital assets were acquired in the year. Now I want to change this year. बस मुझे ये year change करना है. Consider this as 2003 and 4. आप लिखिए ना, ऊपर से नोट लिखिए ना, illustration number 11. Write down illustration number 11. The capital assets were acquired in the year 2003 and 4 for rupees 2,70,000. Whole question will be same. Whole question will be same. You just have to consider, instead of 2000-2001, I want to change the question and give you, I want to change this year and give you as 2003 and 4. So please write down. आप ये क्वेश्चन मतलब ये जो पॉइंट है ना ये अपने नोटबुक में नोट कीजिए. Note this point in your notebook. These capital assets were acquired in the year 2003 and 4 for rupees 2,70,000. Okay, rest all points will be same. Brokerage paid is 3,289 on the sale of capital asset. Whenever, remember, whenever brokerage is paid on sale, that means it is transfer expenses. You can take it as a transfer expenses. Okay. While selling the property, anything you incur will become your transfer expenses. Compute the capital gain. Write down. Come on. Start with the question solution part. Write down name of SSC, Mrs. Prerna. Did you show the change of 2003 and 4 in your notebook?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Legal status, previous year, PAN card number, assessment year, show everything. Leave the lines, you can show it later on. Now write down computation of income from capital gain. Computation of income from capital gain. Write down particulars, inner column, outer column. I need 3 columns. We will start with sales consideration, that is full value of consideration. Tell me, the property was sold for?
16 lakh, ma'am.
Very good, 16 lakhs. So that will be my full value of consideration. Write down full value of consideration, outer column 16 lakhs. Next, less transfer expenses. Is it given?
No,
Is
ma'am.
it? Yes.
Yes, ma'am. Oh, brokerage paid.
Yes.
Brokerage paid on sales. Brokerage paid on sales is nothing but transfer expenses. Anything you incur while transferring, while selling your asset will become your transfer expenses. So now while selling your asset, you are paying brokerage. So brokerage is a type of transfer expenses. Okay, write down less transfer expenses. Next line, come to the next line. Write down brokerage paid. Less transfer expenses. You can come to the next line, write down brokerage paid, and inner column 3,289 rupees. Inner column 3,289 rupees. Look at the question, you will come to know. 3,289 is already given in the question. So just inner column you have to write down the same amount. Okay, next. Less indexed cost of acquisition. By now, you must have remembered the formula. Write down the formula. Cost of acquisition multiplied by CII of year of transfer. Which is the year of transfer according to this question?
Ma'am, 16, 17.
Yes, 16, 17. In exam, it would be 1920 only. Don't worry. And CII will also be available for 1920. Don't worry. Okay. Yes. So CII of year of transfer 16, 17 in the bracket. And now divided by CII of year of acquisition. CII of year of acquisition is, tell me, which is the CII of year of acquisition? I mean, which is the year of acquisition?
2003 and 4.
Very good. This is my year of acquisition. Which is the year of acquisition? It is 2003 and 4. So write it in the bracket 2003 and 4. Now remember 2003 and 4 is after 2001. So CII is available. CII is available of 2003 and 4. Now write down. Cost of acquisition. Tell me the property was purchased for how much?
2,17,000.
Very good. Cost of acquisition is 2,70,000. 2,70,000 is my cost price for purchasing the property. Cost of acquisition into. What is the year of CII? Sorry, what is the year of transfer?
1617.
And what is the CII of 1617?
264.
Very good, 264. Divided by, what is the year of acquisition?
13, 3, 4.
2003 and 4. So what is CII of 2003 and 4?
109.
109. Very good. 2003 and 4 का CII आपको available है. Look at the snapshot that you have taken. In that 2003 and 4, CII is available. For 2003 and 4, the CII is available as 109. So you have to write 109 only. So 2,70,000 into 264 divided by 109. What is your answer in the inner column?
6,53,944.
Okay, 6,53,944. That has to be
मैम
added
उसका
with,
पॉइंट में है 954128.
फिर से बोलो, अभी पूरा अमाउंट बोलो अच्छे से.
अच्छा ओके मैम. 5 लाख सॉरी 6,53,944.95.
तो 944 को 945 बना दो और पॉइंट को इग्नोर करो. इग्नोर द
Okay,
पॉइंट,
ma'am.
इग्नोर द फ्रैक्शन. वो जो पॉइंट दिया हुआ है ना, सॉरी फ्रैक्शन ही, डेसिमल के बाद जो दिया हुआ है ना, वो इग्नोर कीजिए. पॉइंट के बाद इग्नोर कीजिए और 44 को 45 बना दो. सो इट वुड बी 6,54,000. क्या था?
53,000 मैम.
ओके, 6,53,000. बोलो आगे.
मैम 945. 945.
ओके, 6,53,945. अभी लिखो लेस इंडेक्स्ड कॉस्ट ऑफ इम्प्रूवमेंट. लेस इंडेक्स्ड कॉस्ट ऑफ इम्प्रूवमेंट. So what is your indexed cost of improvement? Not given in the question. See?
Not
Yes, not given in the question. Therefore, inner column nil. Inner column will be nil. Outer column, tell me the total of all the expenses.
मैम 6,57,334 rupees.
Okay, 6,57,334. 6,57,334 has to be put in brackets. Deduct it from 16 lakhs. Tell me the final answer.
मैम 9,42,766.
9,42,766.
Yes.
Okay. I hope you are understanding. See, all things are same. Nothing is different here. Are you getting
Yes.
this question a bit? I'm changing this question a bit. Okay, write down the question. Mr. Rao owns a residential house at Mumbai. Write down the question. Mr. Rao owns a house at Mumbai since 1968. Since 1968. Full stop. Full stop. The house is sold by him for rupees 50 lakhs. The house is sold by him for rupees 50 lakhs on, I'm changing the date, don't write same, on June 30, 2019. I'm giving you the way it will appear in your question paper. Okay, on June 30, 2019. What did I say just now was the house is sold by him for rupees 50 lakhs on June 30, 2019. Full stop. The cost of acquisition was rupees 3 lakhs. The cost of acquisition was rupees 3 lakhs. Please note, I'm changing the date once again. The fair market value on 1st April 2001. It is not 1981 because now 1981 is not considered. 2001 will be considered as the base year for CII. The base year will be considered as 2001. So fair market value will always be available for 2001. If it is given, it will be given for 2001 only. Write down. Fair market value on 1st April 2001 is rupees 5,10,000. Fair market value on 1st April 2001 is rupees 5,10,000. Full stop. Determine the amount of capital gain chargeable to tax. So I have changed the dates. Okay. Determine the amount of capital gains chargeable to tax. Shall we start with the solution?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Write down Mr. SSC, Mr. Rao, legal status, individual, previous year assessment. Now previous year, of course, 1920, assessment year 2021, and what to say, PAN card number.
PAN card.
Okay. अभी next line पे लिखिए computation of income from capital gain. Computation of income from capital gain. Write down. We need 3 columns, particulars, inner and outer column. Write down in the particulars column. Full value of consideration. Tell me the property is sold for how much? And before starting, you have to see whether it is short term or long term. The property was purchased in the year 1968. See, Mr. Rao owns a residential house at Mumbai since 1968. He owns the property since 1968 means he purchased the property in the year 1968. Understood. So, the year of acquisition is 1968. And when he is selling the property, 2019. 2019. So, it is for long term or for short term? Tell
Ma'am,
me.
long term.
Long term. Very good. Very good. Long term. You will also write a note for this. Okay. Anyways, note has to be written at the last. So we will wait until we finish our solution part. Okay. Write down. Sales consideration. How much the property was sold for?
Ma'am, 50 lakhs.
50 lakhs. The house, residential house is sold for 50 lakhs. Write down. The outer column, 50 lakhs. Outer column, 50 lakhs. Now, next line. Less cost of transfer. Less cost of transfer, which is not given. Just put it nil in the inner column. Not given in the question. Okay. Next. Less indexed cost of acquisition. Less indexed cost of acquisition. Now tell me the property is purchased before 2001 or after 2001?
Ma'am, before 2001.
Yes. So when property is purchased before 2001, then listen very carefully. Write down, note, write down. लिखो, नोट लिखो, साथ साथ में नोट भी लिख दो. छोड़ दो थोड़ी लाइंस, सम के लिए छोड़ दो, जितनी लाइंस आपको लगता है लगेंगी उतनी लाइंस छोड़ दीजिए. अभी तो अंदाजा आ गया ना कि कितनी लाइंस अभी लग सकती हैं. लीव द लाइंस, लीव फ्यू लाइंस and write the note. Note number 1. Since the property is purchased before 2001 year, since the property is purchased before the year 2001, therefore cost of acquisition Therefore, cost of acquisition or fair market value, or word is very important. Highlight the word or. Therefore, cost of acquisition or fair market value, whichever is higher. Now the word higher is also very, very important. Cost of acquisition or fair market value, whichever is higher, will be considered. Will be considered. Now tell me, what is cost of acquisition? How much the house was purchased for in the year
Ma'am,
1968?
3 lakhs.
3 lakhs. Very good. Very good. Cost is 3 lakhs. Fair market value on 2001, 1st April 2001 is also given in the question. And how much is
5
yes,
it?
lakhs
ma'am.
10,000.
Five,
How? Yes,
5
5
lakh
lakh
10,000.
10,000. So which is the higher of both of them?
5 lakh
5
10,000 fair value.
Between the two amounts, which is the higher one, highest one?
Ma'am, fair
Market
market
value.
value is
Fair market
uh,
value is the highest one, and that the amount is 5 lakhs 10,000. And that we have to consider. That we have to consider. See that there is a new point in this question, and is therefore I was asking you to write down the note on the spot, because you will understand why we are taking fair market value, because it is higher. And when we have to consider fair market value, when the property is purchased before 2001 year. Is it clear to everybody? At least say yes or no.
Yes, ma'am.
yes,
Okay. So write down. Okay, write down in the note only. Write down in the note only. Cost of acquisition is 3 lakhs. Cost of acquisition is 3 lakhs. And fair market value is 5 lakh 10,000. And fair market value is 5 lakh 10,000. Next line, come to the next line. Therefore, the highest amount is 5 lakh 10,000 will be considered. The highest amount of rupees 5 lakh 10,000 will be considered. ये सारा हमने कहाँ लिखा? Note में. The whole of this, whatever I was discussing, has to be written in the notes. Please don't write it in the table. We are writing all of these points in the note section. Okay. So the highest of rupees 5 lakh 10,000 will be considered. Okay. Now come to the formula. Cost of acquisition, indexed cost of acquisition. Write down less indexed cost of acquisition in the table. Write down the formula: cost of acquisition into CII of year of transfer divided by CII of year of acquisition. CII of year of transfer upon CII of year of acquisition. Shall we put the values? Have you written the formula?
yes, ma'am.
Okay, write down. What is the cost of acquisition now?
5 lakh 10,000.
Very good, very good, very good. Note number 1. Look at note number 1. Just now we calculated. We don't have to write cost of acquisition as 3 lakhs. No, because 3 lakhs is not the highest one. The highest figure is 5 lakh 10,000 fair market value. We have to consider fair market value in the place of cost of acquisition. See, in the formula, you need to write cost of acquisition only. The words has to be written with the words that has to be written will be as cost of acquisition only. Okay, but the amount will be taken as the highest figure of fair market value. The amount which is the highest one will be taken, will be considered. Is it clear? The words which are to be written will be cost of acquisition. आपको words को change नहीं करना. You don't have to change the formula. Formula will be cost of acquisition into CI of year of transfer divided by CI of year of acquisition. But the value that has to be put there, it will be according to the condition, and the condition is cost of acquisition or fair market value, whichever is higher. So highest is 5,10,000. So we will choose 5,10,000. Write down 5,10,000. 5,10,000. See, they have also used 5,10,000. Can you see in the solution part?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Into CII of year of transfer. Which is the year of transfer? When you are transferring the asset, I changed the dates. I told you when we are selling the house property on 30 June 2019. So in the bracket, you have to
19,
write
ma'am.
2019-20. CI
Yes,
of
ma'am.
year of transfer bracket 1920. Now you tell me, you have a snapshot. I told you, no? I gave you the snapshot, no? From
Yes, ma'am.
Google. 2019-20 का बताइए कितना है?
289.
289. ये देखो
Yes,
स्क्रीन
ma'am.
पे देखो, स्क्रीन पे देखो, स्क्रीन पे 2019 एंड 20 का CI है 289. तो आप भी लिखेंगे 289. देखो ऐसा पेपर में अवेलेबल होगा. क्वेश्चन पेपर में CII will always be given. Don't worry. You don't have to
Ma'am.
search. Yes, tell me, Shubham.
मैम आप जो ऊपर वाला दिए थे उसमें 280 था.
नहीं, 2019 एंड 20 का ऊपर था ही. आप ये कंसिडर करो ना.
यस मैम.
2008 जो भी पेपर में देखो, जो भी दिया जाएगा ना वो कंसिडर करना है. अब यहाँ पे कितना दिया हुआ है 2019-20 का?
289.
लिखो 289. लिखो 289 डिवाइडेड बाय CII ऑफ ईयर ऑफ एक्विजिशन. आप मुझे बताइए, प्रॉपर्टी 2001 से पहले की है कि 2001 के बाद की है?
मैम 2001 के पहले की है.
पहले की है. तो हम लोग एक्विजिशन में क्या लेते हैं? व्हाट वी टेक फॉर CII ऑफ ईयर ऑफ एक्विजिशन?
100 मैम.
100. वेरी गुड. 100. सो दैट सेम हैज टू बी टेकन. देखो उन्होंने भी 100 लिया है. ये दिख रहा है आपको? ये देखो उन्होंने भी 100 लिया है. CII ऑफ ईयर
Yes,
ऑफ एक्विजिशन 100 लेना है जब 2001 से पहले की प्रॉपर्टी होगी. तो 2001 से पहले की प्रॉपर्टी, द प्रॉपर्टी बिलोंग्स टू 2000 बिफोर 2001. देयरफॉर CII of year of acquisition will be 100. Now tell me the amount. 5,10,000 into 289 divided by 100.
मैम 14,73,900.
14,73,900. Now
Yes, ma'am.
less index cost of improvement, which is not given, so you can put it nil and you can calculate the final answer now. Tell me the final answer.